In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a Smartsheet and download its attachments so you can save your project data and associated files. First, open the Smartsheet you want to export. Next, click File in the top menu and select Export. Choose the export format that best fits your needs, such as Excel, PDF, or another available option. Once selected, Smartsheet will generate and download a copy of your sheet containing the data and structure of the project. Keep in mind that exporting a sheet does not automatically include attached files within the exported document. To download attachments, locate the rows that contain the attachment icon. Click the attachment icon or open the row menu to view the files attached to that row. Select the attachment you want to save and click Download. Repeat this process for any additional attachments you need from the sheet. If your sheet contains proofs or review files, open the proof and use the available download option to save a copy to your computer. For projects with many attachments, it can be helpful to create a dedicated folder on your computer before downloading files so everything stays organized. After downloading both the exported sheet and the required attachments, you'll have a complete offline copy of your project information and supporting documents. Always review your downloaded files to make sure all necessary attachments have been saved successfully. That's it. You've successfully learned how to export a Smartsheet with attachments. Thanks for watching.